Mama wakwaba wafreme ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
No ntwa ho ke. Ni sojafo be edumienu a oyusom de amoye adwuma no. On pass mra o parliament ho no ntwa omo ho ka. On pass mra no fa joma my president. So oni obuo ema Ghana constitution na on ko parliament on pass mra no fa joma my president. No nya kufa do fa free wom. So was speaker of parliament na dwirimu no adwen bone woni tiri ma nitimi pie na no e parliament e ma nitimi ka se ono betimi atu president the kufa the free and president the kufa ntimi ntunu dia. It tells you say Ora Bagbin doesn't mean well for this country. He doesn't mean well. And sa wa bro to me abron say obi a wato nsam ntentan wo ya hwie nya yie Bagbin abro to me abro Bagbin na he say ene je say onamo a to parliament on ma efi da ban na parliament yesa say hemfo che efrafra kente odi akonya ohefa Bagbin krobe so ne eche ne hene oti akonya tundun ben so
Dawuru
Bagbin krobe so ne eche ne hene awa sha say henche na ofrafra ntoma frafra kente no krobe so ne eche ne hene
you are home kakra akwa bi nyuma nansan obi ade aya nam social media akwa nkwa hie nie me de me ho aba me ana mape me ho asem ne amu pe bia mo mfa nyeme MPP fo na ma yehuna mane a yehuni MPP mra sebadwafo a ye de ye bre eni ye nisuo eni ye hawo kosan la to aba mo so me ye mra sebadwafo m koto aba ma Bagbin ene wabaya sasabo nsama betena Ghana fo nyina akonso no wo mo na ese ka mo wasem na ga ba me woni hwan speaker wo say our parliament any say wonya parliamentarian wonya referee kake it is how you referee that's how the penalty to ho na player about to twenty nka je say wa mo ni yentu be jabo referee bi eni sa tumi no wakotam we dia bututi just say nyame am osafo hene na akota hincha sha eso kwa de Bagbin wo ye ne ugu hwani mo ase ye ka kire wo ne ugu hwani mo ase wonya ukrom hene ana wonya nkra hene enti ja hinsam no na ja kasa basabasa na wo keka kire president no Ghana for to abama president obetu aka say ai Ghana for rep ana betu abama awode but utumi no enu president ye no have wona wo hu say wo so ba Ghana for hu sa as compared to the president enti ja de oye no na wo betwam as the worst speaker of parliament ya o ma we yanya Bagbin wo betwam as the worst speaker of parliament wo hu ya nuguase adodo enye fe sa utra parliament yes anima no wo bi ona kasa che president ya wo kasa na nim ti sa akoda na wo yonko ni president Akufo-Addo awo kwan benso je for politics in tuncha nya from na for Bagbin nya yonko ni Akufo-Addo oto wo tun da na wo menu so da na jade o ye na tan
Baku ni mu ni kura waja se obi a ope
na homaso too much
ani hinte
ahomaso woni mu too much
ahomaso ahye ne ma ani hinte e kan ne ko ada bia na mai ho yasim enye won wa se opani ti se wo a wo oman ye di bon ho ka sabri ni ye se ye be hemra bia na papa ye dwane ye be pass ile bia no so la
you come with parliament
wa fa Ghana fo sika afa nipa nan aka ne ho ndo ma kwa tena Dubai Ghana o si Ghana fo sika ewi ase da Supreme Court e pass emra e say first deputy speaker bet me atena konyuma san to abape Bagbin yare na jai
Bagbin becoming a tyrant wants to turn parliament into a palace Muntaka minority chief whip Muhammad Mubarak Muntaka, member of parliament for Asmasi, has made critical comments about Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin, describing his former leader as a tyrant. Muntaka, whose most recent exchange with Bagbin on the floor of Parliament was in connection with the procedure of the censure motion against Minister of Finance, Kenufurata, stressed that it was a hard thing to say about Bagbin, but he felt obliged to do so. I am sorry to say this. When you want to turn the chamber of parliament into a palace, then you become a tyrant. When pushed about whether Bagbin was a tyrant, he responded, he's becoming a tyrant.
Yes.
Yet you are not a chief, Theo. Well, see, you are not a chief. You are supposed to be a speaker of parliament, and the speaker listens to both sides patiently, even when there is a disagreement, and that's the essence of democracy, to sometimes even agree to disagree. But when you are personalized, it is as if disagreement is a disrespect to you. Then I'm sorry, you are becoming a bad speaker.
we NDC MP
member,
the then minority chief whip.
Yes.
And I mean another crime na Alban say. Some Muntaka challenge we into no we ni free her as minority chief.
Obi ya no. That no. And now Bagbin can the parliament say Muntaka will find it difficult to catch his eye.
Catch no say sanka it's na wa domino no wo be bre papa parliament ya say owie no ko catch NDC mpani for so ntumi ni Muntaka nya adwuma. And you Muntaka ni free wo adan speaker kakra obedi e eno kra na onam kwan pa onye kwan pa so na fa bedi e onko speaker bedi e twa minister no blade onko speaker bedi e yes ase ne manyina ube onko bedi speaker Ghana ha wa frase asha hinche e frantuma
akwa dead no
mama inti bedi de no
Mr. Alban for Bagbin say he needs to be told to stop talking down on Ghanaians as though he's a village chief and we are his subjects.
Yes.
No humble, learned, erudite, and experienced person will ever seek to silence his critics in a constitutional democracy by telling them that, in all humility, please know that there is deep thought in whatever I do. Don't underrate my knowledge, skills, experience, and expertise in parliamentary practice and procedure.
Experience, Papa Ben.
And what kind of
experience? And you speak of parliament, you are the catcher, so much parliament or bribe.
When I
have been the catcher, say, how much parliament to a chrononia,
especially budget to be a bribe.
Baby the kind. And what's not parliament over 20 at the bribe over 20 years. One hour kind and then you come. Experience the bribe with experience and then experience. What's not parliament? One catch us a multi parliament to a de Mudia dream and a catastrophe. And to what the bribe by 20 years near who goes to the parliament to
March 10, 2014. MPs take bribes. Bagbin confirms in Kuforidia.
Good.
Member of Parliament for Nadoli Kalio, Mr. Alban SK Bagbin, has confirmed that some members of Parliament take bribes to articulate the views of some individuals and organizations on the floor of Parliament.
Wait, man can't say Bible. For sending church, I say
MPs take bribes. Bagbin confirms.
Bagbin say. When you cast what tuna numutu, or a castle be a tuna numutu, I say a dro chinipa, no, cassa, menami, menami, yes, what tuna numutu, and to what tuna numutu say, Marcebe, you are former dear demo, dear papa.
Member of Parliament for Nadoli Kalio, Mr. Alban SK Bagbin, has confirmed that some members of Parliament take bribes to articulate the views of some individuals and organizations on the floor of Parliament.
Yes, Marcebe, you are one Nadoli Kalio, where sister dear. Say emerse beduafo mo dia demude en na nwuma ku ahodo ne ankrankrado mu nwuma ba no omudi hu dwumado mo.
Okay. Was it the reality is that MPs are Ghanaians and there's evidence that some MPs take bribes and come to the floor and try to articulate the views of their sponsors.
Nti o say ni wo mu an say MP for no so mo ye Ghana for na ensena hopefe se omuji ademude ansana oma ba floor ho aba be adwuma se de so omuye na oma ka bia mankrofo bi e ba omu nchen anya no ano.
He said evidence to that effect